Production Machining is proud to introduce our 2020 Emerging Leaders. These talented precision machining professionals under the age of 40 possess strong leadership skills. They have an ability to see how their companies can be successful for years to come. We asked our emerging leaders what their goals are within their companies. Here's what they said.
Well, driving the success of SPM really is my goal. I view SPM always climbing a ladder, and it's my job to make sure that we're just pushing to the next step up.
So I'd say my goals here at Custom Tool are to continue in professional and personal growth and to continue to lead in integration efforts and new technology.
My goals include continuing to be an active participant in Gallion LLC's continuous improvement efforts through the use of lean tools such as 5S and Kaizen, as well as assisting in expanding knowledge within the workforce to satisfy our customer needs.
So my current goals for American Term Products are to continue to improve our culture and make improvements in our operational efficiency.
My goals are to continue improving myself while helping my team improve themselves as well.
I have a lot of goals, but I think my ultimate goal is to eliminate my position. I think that if we can create an environment where people have the space to learn and grow and give them the tools to implement their ideas, that continuous improvement will be a part of our daily operations.
My goals with Smith & Richardson are to help make it a great place to work and to keep employees engaged and to help keep our customers satisfied. I also want to continue to provide opportunities to the community about manufacturing.